this. Hello, dear all. And after the health care, after the jewelry, let me bring you to the world of coatings. And if I say coatings, I believe you can imagine some glossy cars from saloons, maybe glossy furniture in the kitchen. But I would like to show you that there also can be the coatings on natural nails. My name is Zane Grigale-Soročina, and final 12 years I have spent working on my PhD thesis on topics UV-curable coatings on natural nails. And 12 years ago, we started with one bottle of gel polish in a company named Kinetics Nail Systems, and our dream was to develop our own gel polish formula. Now, we have 19 chemists in our R&D lab developing new formulas, new colors, and new methods every day. And when we started then, 12 years ago, we went to European manufacturers to learn from them. Now, we can be really happy that they are the ones who would like to learn from us. And I'm proud to say that we are really strong in research. And due to that, we can get quite big European Union support for new product development. And what's new for us, that in the beginning of this year, we have established the Kinetics Science Foundation to make even bigger cooperation with universities. But let's come back to the coatings. And if we talk about the coatings, that there is a lot of requirements for coatings on cars, for coatings in industry, in building industry, in furniture. But when we talk about the coatings on natural nails, there are really specific requirements which are special only for this industry. And the first of it is the time, because the polymerization on the natural nails should happen in 30 seconds. And comparing with the industry, it's a really short period of time. Second requirement is temperature, because the substrate, us, humans, are really temperature-sensitive substrates. And when the temperature reaches higher than 70 degrees of Celsius, it can become painful. And the third specific requirement is wear time. In all industries, all coatings developed are with the aim to have good adhesion and good durability. But for natural nails, we still need good adhesion, but the durability should be only 3 weeks. And after 3 weeks, the coating should be easily removable. I would like to bring you in the process of new product development and what are the parameters we are looking for and we are testing. The first one is viscosity in thixotropy. As I mentioned already before, that the surface area for natural nail is really small. And we should get the composition in really narrow range of viscosity to avoid any leakage. Second parameter is surface wetting. I will repeat once again that natural nail is really a special substrate. And there it is quite oily substance. And we need to ensure good wetting on quite oily substrate. And the coating should wet natural nail, and also the layers of coating should wet each other. And the third parameter is color stability in time. We should ensure that this color in small bottle will stay the same for 3 years. But also we should ensure that this color on natural nails will stay the same for 3 weeks. I will tell you one story from our experience. There was a project we worked on new pigments, and when the laboratory tests have been passed, then we put these coatings on natural nails and test them on real humans. And we got the application on the model's nails. There was nice, bright pink color. And after some days, they called us crying, "Help me, what should I do? My nails become yellow, from pink to yellow." Of course, we removed this coating from natural nails, and afterwards, we find out that it was due to the ingredients in the pigments, which was sunlight sensitive. It doesn't work? Okay, thank you. Next parameters are polymerization. I mentioned already in the beginning that there is strict restrictions in polymerization time, 30 seconds, and polymerization temperature, 17 degrees. Next one is mechanical properties. Again, I should say that nail plate is really difficult substrate because we wear our hands, we wash dishes, our hands can be in touch with the water. And natural nail plate can absorb water a bit, but still it can affect the adhesion. And therefore, we should make this composition with the same elastic properties what our natural nails have. And surface gloss. All of us, we want nice, shiny nails, and we should keep this shine not only already after the polymerization, but also in 3-week period. And there comes one more story that usually we really wait for 3 weeks. We wear the gel polish on nails and look after 3 weeks how the gloss performs. But 3 weeks to wait one parameter, it was too long time for us. One of my colleagues went to Germany to the manufactory where they manufacture different testing equipments. And for 3-day period, they tested all possible abrasion resistance equipment. And this was the team who previously was developed the coating abrasion equipment for BMW. And we really had the hope that they can get also some solution for us. But unfortunately, no. Because our coating are really thin. But we worked hard and we developed this equipment by ourselves. And now we can test the surface gloss and abrasion resistance in 1 day instead of 3 weeks. And final parameter are connected with adhesion, because for all coatings, this is one of parameters who is the most important parameters, adhesion. And for us, it was very challenging in the beginning to find out the substrate, which we can use to compare compositions with each other. And there had really many curious, because we tested animal bones, we tested beef horns, but unfortunately no one of them was enough good due to their porosity. But now we have found 2 substrates which we use and can compare the coating adhesion together with each other. And there comes final parameter is coating solvability, because this coating should be removable from the natural nails in easy way, easy and safe. Yes, and after the lab tests, there comes tests with nail technicians and our international educators. But let me give you also some information about challenge we are facing at the moment. The challenges faces my R&D colleagues is the adhesion of base coat, adhesion and safety. Because to have great adhesion, we can use harsh chemicals, but not on the natural nails. And therefore, we should use mild chemicals and still somehow get good adhesion. There is one more challenge. We would like to make the coating without tacky layer. Because in the industry, now it is like it is, that this upper part of the coating connects with the oxygen, and the oxygen inhibition layer appears in the upper layer. But we would like to avoid this, to avoid oxygen somehow, and to make the coating without this tacky layer. And yes, one more quite big challenge is saturated pigments, because black and white pigments are really strong to absorb the UV light, but we need to get the saturated coating and at the same time polymerization in the whole coating thickness. My color team colleagues faces the challenges for the pigments to get them really saturated but still possible to polymerize in all thickness. And quality team faces the challenges regarding the new methods, regarding the precise color detection and color stability evaluation. Going through all these challenges, today we are happy to have more than 900 different products for natural nails, 10,000 different colors in our color library. We have 6 new color collections every year, and my colleagues in R&D lab makes more than 30 new colors every day. And now we have 15 new open projects. And I would like to finish my presentation with the belief we have went through all these 12 years with quote from Richard Bach, that you are never given a dream without also being given the power to make it true. You may have to work for it, however. Thank you very much for your attention and have a nice day.